Hello, brother or sister, anybody present at home? A digital beggar waiting in front of your door. Give me only 500 taka or 10 kg rice. Hurry up. I have no time in my pocket and hand now.
Who are you?
I am a digital beggar.
Oh, please forgive me. I have no money. I lack as a beggar. Please, you may go now.
Do you know me? I run always way to way, house to house, door to door. But I don't fear anybody, one or two door to God. Everything has its beauty, but not everything. Two is company, three is and that is better than unhappy. You are not a man, you are just domestic animal. You right? Death is better than unhappy life. Man is mortal. You always remember that.